Hey, hello friends, welcome back to Brintechno. Welcome to our new and fresh video, guys. Yes, guys, your boy and your mama is back with another new and fresh recipe. Yes, so by the way, where is my mama? Oh yeah, my mama is busy preparing something special, and yeah, she's over there. Come, mama, come. Oh wow, what is this, mama?
Special mutton biryani. Very quick.
Wow, look at the aroma, guys. It's so mouth-watering. And what is this, mama?
Special dum mutton biryani.
Wow, this is special mutton dum biryani. So folks, today my mama is going to show you the quick and easy special mutton dum biryani. And this biryani is for bachelors, new chef, or any busy folks who doesn't have time to spend a lot of time in cooking. This is for you guys. There are many ways of preparing mutton biryani, and this is one way and our way of preparing quick and easy special mutton dum biryani. So folks, if you prepare this mutton dum biryani at home, please leave the suggestions in the comment section below. Please let us know how this biryani has come out for you. It will help us to improve our video as well. So without further ado, let's start today's video and let's see how to prepare this special quick and easy mutton dum biryani. So yeah, mama, are you ready to show them how to prepare this biryani?
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, so let's move to the kitchen. So folks, today we are going to prepare a special mutton biryani. So we have taken 1 kg of tender mutton meat. So first, to prepare biryani, we need to prepare the marination. So take a cooking pot, add 1 cup of fresh yogurt or fresh curd, now add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Now add salt as per your requirement. Now mix all these ingredients nice and thoroughly. And now add the mutton pieces. Mix it nice and thoroughly so that all the marination sauce should get properly soaked inside the mutton pieces, so that it becomes very tender and juicy. Once you are done marinating nice and thoroughly, let it rest in refrigerator for almost 2 hours so that all the marination sauce should get properly soaked inside the mutton, so that your biryani turns out to be nice and juicy. Now we need to prepare the masala. So let's dry roast few of these ingredients. Add wholesome garam masala, which includes 1 star anise, 2 cardamom, 5 cloves, and 3 1-inch cinnamon. Now add cashew kernels. Now add almonds. Now add 1 teaspoon poppy seeds. Now add 2 teaspoons of somp. Now add 25 to 30 black peppercorns. So folks, please make a note of this. These are the ingredients which has to be dry roasted. Once all these ingredients starts releasing its aroma, consider the dry roasting is done, and now you can transfer it to the plate. Now the next process to prepare the masala. So place the same pan and now add little oil. Once the oil starts bubbling up, now add 8 sliced green chilies. Now add 1 inch finely chopped ginger. And now add one finely chopped medium sized onion. And now add 10 garlic flakes. And now we need to fry all these ingredients till it releases its aroma and it gets rid of its raw flavor. Once it starts becoming nice and soft, add handful of chopped coriander, handful of chopped mint leaves, and now fry all this together nice and thoroughly. Once all these ingredients has got rid of its raw flavor, once it has started releasing its aroma, switch off the flame and let it cool down for a while before it goes into the blender. Now let's transfer it to the plate and let it cool down for a while before it goes in the blender with the other ingredients. Meanwhile, when the masala ingredients are getting cooled, we'll cook the meat in this heavy bottom cooking pot. Now add 8 to 10 teaspoons of oil. Now once the oil starts bubbling up, add wholesome garam masala, which includes 1 inch cinnamon, 5 cloves and 3 cardamom. Once these spices starts popping up, add 4 finely sliced onions, now add little salt. The salt helps the onions to fry quicker, and now we need to fry this onion till it turns golden brown. And now once the onions are nice and crispy, transfer it to the plate. And here half of the onion goes with the preparation of biryani and half of the onions will be used as the garnishing at the end. And now add 5 sliced green chilies, now add 3 finely chopped tomatoes, now to this goes 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, and now fry all these ingredients nice and thoroughly till the tomatoes get soft and mushy. Now it looks like the tomatoes are soft and mushy, and now let's add the marinated mutton to it. And now saute it nice and thoroughly. And now let it cook on simmer for 5 more minutes till it starts bubbling up. Now let's transfer all these ingredients which we had kept to cool down to prepare the masala. Now add little bit of water to ease the process of blending. As you can see here folks, the meat has started bubbling up. So now let's add the blended masala to it. Wow, the masala looks very beautiful. Now add little water and now mix all the masala and meat nice and thoroughly so that the soft tender meat should properly blend with the masala, which makes the biryani nice and aromatic. So now all the masala is added and the masala is properly blended with the mutton, and now it's time to cook the mutton meat. So close the lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now close the lid of the cooking pot and cook the meat for 10 minutes. Basically the cooking time of the meat varies depending upon its tenderness. If your meat is more tender, then you can cook it for lesser time. If your meat is tougher, then cook for 10 minutes, or at times it might take more time. So just make sure whether your meat is tender or tougher before it goes into the cooking pot. Now after 10 minutes, let's open the lid and check whether the meat is properly cooked or not. As you can see over here, the meat has extracted oil in it. So that means the meat has properly cooked. Now we need to add few more ingredients into the meat. Now add the fried onions to the meat. Now goes handful of chopped coriander, handful of chopped mint leaves. Now squeeze half lime to the meat. Now add 2 teaspoons of ghee to the meat. Now mix the meat and the other ingredients added to it nice and thoroughly and cook for 5 more minutes. And now finally the cooking of meat part is done. Let's prepare the rice. So place the water to boil. Now add little oil to water. Now add little salt to the water. Here we are using rock salt. Now to make your rice more aromatic, add handful of pudina to the boiling water. And to make your rice even more flavorsome, add wholesome garam masala. The wholesome garam masala includes star anise, japatre or what we call javitri, 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cardamom and 4 to 5 cloves. And now add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And now squeeze half lemon. Now once the water starts bubbling up, add the washed and soaked long grain basmati rice to it. So as I told earlier, for 1 kg of tender mutton, we have taken 750 gram of long grain basmati rice. As you can see over here, the rice will cook in this boiling water for 5 minutes, which means we need to cook rice just 80% and rest 20% it will cook in the dum along with the meat, which will absorb all the flavors from the meat. So folks, as you can see over here, the rice is cooked 80% and now it's time to go into the dum. Now the next and final process is to prepare the dum. So first, on the top of the kadai, place the biryani pot. So basically the dum is like you need to pile up meat, rice, meat, rice. So it's a beautiful combination. And now goes the rice on the top of the meat. And now add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add half teaspoon of garam masala. Now add few drops of rose water just to enhance the flavors. And now add little bit of saffron to make it more colorful. And now repeat the process. Now once you are done adding all other toppings, now sprinkle some fried onions on the top. This goes as the final garnishing. Now close the lid and let it cook on simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, the yummy and delicious, the mouth-watering mutton dum biryani is ready to serve hot. Wow, it looks absolutely stunning and beautiful, folks. Mama karantlel. And wow, look at this, folks. The rice has been cooked properly. It looks fluffy, colorful and properly cooked. Oh ho ho ho. So yeah mama, we are done showing them how to prepare the quick and easy mutton biryani. It was really quick and easy. Even when you are not there at home, if you are busy, I can prepare this mutton biryani myself. It was that easy. And yeah, look at this mutton pieces, guys. Wow, it's so tender and juicy and I just love it. And look at the rice, it's fluffy. It's so aromatic, all the spices and what we say, the wholesome garam masala we added, that made the rice very aromatic, guys. And yeah, this biryani has come out very beautiful and it's brilliant, mama. Thank you so much, I just love it. And look at this, guys, the rice is non-sticky and it's very fluffy. So you need to wash and soak the rice for 30 minutes.
At least 30 minutes.
Yeah, at least 30 minutes. So if you prepare the rice the way we showed, then your rice will be this way. It will be very perfect and there won't be any mistakes.
No break at all.
Yeah, there is no break in the rice. It's very straight and fluffy. So yeah guys, if you are new to our channel, do hit the subscribe button and do not forget to like and share our video. And if you have any suggestions, please let us know in the comment section below. And please do follow us on social media at Brintechno, and you can follow my mama on Instagram as well. I will leave the link in the description. So we will be back with another new and special recipe, and that will be mama's recipe, but I am not a good chef, she's a good chef. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's end up today's video, and we will see you soon, guys. Bye bye guys, love you all, take care, and enjoy the biryani, guys.
Yeah, biryani for you.
Yeah mama, serve them the biryani.
Biryani for you.
Yeah, bye guys, see you.